Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 remote night shift gigs that you can start immediately. So let's get right into it. The first website we're looking at is 3Play Media and they're looking for transcriptionists. It's work from home, you earn money weekly, and you create your own schedule. So that includes night. You'll click here to start the application, but let's just go through the role real quick. They are seeking eager editors for contract work to transcribe recorded audio and edit imperfect transcription. Benefits of editing at 3Play Media. Choose the jobs you want to work on from a selection of major entertainment, corporate, and educational content producers. As a member of their elite team of editors, you choose when and where you want to work on your claimed jobs. You receive weekly paychecks based on a per project per minute rate for the work you completed in the prior week. For the best results, complete the application on the computer. We recommend the application in one sitting. Estimated time is 15 minutes. You'll receive an email if you pass to the next step. To be a good transcriptionist, you need to meet the following qualifications: excellent written communication skills, excellent command of English grammar and punctuation, proficiency with internet research and reference resources, ability to manage projects and work independently, and you must be 18 years or older. Now let's scroll down. They don't have the pay rate on here, but I did do some digging. And according to Glassdoor, they pay between $16.35 an hour to $23.32 an hour. The second position we're looking at is for a rater, and it's with TELUS International, and their website is telusinternational.com. So here is the description and requirements of the position. It is work from home. The location is the USA. The pay is $12 to $15 per hour. In this role, you'll assess online search results to enhance their quality. You'll analyze and rate content relevance to search terms while also reviewing language for grammar, tone, and cultural appropriateness. Your contribution improves a major search engine's quality by evaluating web content using your PC and smartphone. So that sounds pretty easy. Now, this role offers freedom to work remotely, allowing you to set your own hours based on task availability. So you can work at night, work when you want. Again, $12 to $15 per hour. Here are the requirements: proficiency in both written and verbal English, residency in the United States for the past 3 consecutive years, ownership and regular use of a smartphone, Gmail as your primary email account. You must be familiar with current and historical business, media, sport news, social media, and cultural affairs in your country of residency. Experience in navigating web browsers and smartphone apps for content interaction, and understanding of various social media environments, including memes, virality, and trends. And again, this is TELUS International. There's no interview process, and you apply and start working. And the last company is called NexRep. And their website is nexrep.com. And they are looking for work from home customer care agents. This one looks pretty easy. Okay, what you can expect in customer care. As a customer care agent within a NexRep marketplace, you'll be matched with one of several leading American companies or fast growing brands. Depending on the client, you'll be expected to assist customers in one of several areas. Here are the areas here: customer care, escalation, white glove service, appointment setting, back office support, personal concierge, business concierge, customer product services, transactional services, help desk services, travel and booking, delivery support, sales, roadside assistance, dispatch, and virtual receptionist. Now, how will you communicate with them? The channels you will use: phone, chat, email, text, and social media. So, some independent contract opportunities within NexRep Marketplace involve supporting a single contact channel. So, from the sounds of it, you'll be picking what you want, what works best for you. Um, Here are the things that they're looking for, their requirements. You can read through those. And what's in it for you? Freedom, because you pick your own schedule at night. You work when you want, when you're available. You'll be support. And cost savings, you don't have to spend gas to travel. And when you're ready to join, you just click this work from home button. Now, they don't have the pay on this website. I did do a little digging, and they pay $21.24 an hour according to Glassdoor.